Welcome back. The World Health Organization is reconvening the emergency committee to look at the novel coronavirus outbreak and to look at whether this outbreak is a global health emergency.
It may take longer for Kenya to get preliminary reports from the samples taken from the suspected case yesterday. Eunice Omolo has more.
The Ministry of Health has remained tight-lipped on the progress update of the Kenyan student from China who is currently in isolation at the Kenyatta National Hospital. Experts believe that even though the Kenya Medical Research Institute, KEMRI, has the capacity to conduct tests, this case might take longer because it is a new strain of virus still under scrutiny. On Tuesday, the Ministry of Health hinted that the samples taken from the student were to be sent to South Africa for more tests. However, it is not clear whether this has happened. It is believed that the National Virology Center in South Africa is not keen on accepting any virus-suspected samples from outside its borders. As the epidemic escalates, the Kenyan envoy to China is calling for drastic measures, including suspending travels to China.
As much as, yes, it's impacting on our economy, it is impacting on people going for business. What is more critical is life. And I would probably advise that we limit movements as much as is possible. Of course, there are those areas that are safe, but being an airborne disease and this virus is something that's highly infectious.
But the national carrier Kenya Airways says it will not suspend flights to China. Serem has also indicated that the country is yet to come up with plans to evacuate Kenyans in Wuhan.
It has been taken by the government is to ensure that those that are within the area are not even further exposed. So the option of even evacuation should not be an immediate concern for now. I think the best thing is to contain it, and once that is contained, because they have been put on quarantine for at least 14 days. If the 14 days are over, and everybody is safe, then it is easy to move and to access.
Okay. The Chinese Health Commission says the death toll has risen to 132, with reported cases rising to 6,000. More than a dozen countries have reported a total of over 60 cases. WHO has convened an emergency meeting for Thursday. The British Airways has suspended all direct flights to China, and the government has urged Britons not to travel to the country as a precautionary measure. Eunice Omolo, NTV.